Your line work and paintings could be much cleaner if you knew how to get a point on your paintbrush. This video is going to teach you how to get a point on your paintbrush. A lot of people don't know how to get a point. They'll just dip paint and just go. And that's cool, don't get me wrong, right? It works, but it's not going to give you the best consistency overall. So here's what we'll do. We'll dip the paintbrush in the paint. Now, as you see, it's just on there globbed. I pull back and I twist, right? Pull back, twist, and it tends to give me a better point to where I can use it like a pencil. So once again, technique. Now you can go back and forth, but that'll give you a flat. You don't want that, right? So here's what we'll do. Dip, pull back, twist, and we'll always get a point. And then you can go from there. You can do this for any brush, even an old brush. I got an old brush right here, and as you see, getting a point on this is going to be very difficult. Now, for a brush like this, I would probably let it soak, you know, and get some of the paint out. But right now, we'll just do the same thing. We'll dip it. As you see, it's just blobbed on there. So if you paint, you're going to have inconsistent paint strokes. This is why some people have inconsistent paint strokes. You can't get a straight line, etc. But if you just take that same brush and you twist it, we can get a better point and a more consistent line. Now, obviously, with this paintbrush, we're not going to get a point just like that one, but we get a more consistent paint stroke. So always remember that when you're dipping your paint and you're trying to get rid of the excess paint, all you have to do is pull back and twist for a point or a rounded brush.